Is Cubot Note 7 a scam? So let's start with the Note in the model name. It clearly refers to the premium segment of the market, more specifically to those big in size, feature-packed devices. Even looking at the box, you may think that there is something big and classy sitting inside. And then, like seriously, this Note phone is small enough to hide it behind my palm. So, if even the name of the phone suggests something that this device is clearly not, let's see how far it goes with overpromising. What do we have here is the Android 10 based phone that runs a MediaTek 6737 quad-core processor. The design of this version is, very questionable. Fortunately, there are black, red and blue versions available. Even with this small size, it's only 135 by 63 by 11 millimeters, the phone looks chunky. That might be because of the thick screen glass, which looks like from the times when the screen glass was not actually integrated with the display. On the connectivity, it's pretty standard 4G phone with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. NFC feature is unfortunately missing in this device. No USB-C port here, but fortunately headphones jack port made it to the device. On the back of the phone, you have something that appears to be a triple camera setup, but I'm very suspicious about it. So the main camera is 13 megapixel sensor by Samsung, the same you can find in Xiaomi Redmi 4X and Redmi Note 4. The other two cameras, the manufacturer calls 0.3 megapixel photosensitive lenses, whatever that means. And there is the side note that those lenses will not be seen by any software. Sounds fake, and even if it's not, it really makes no difference to the picture quality. You can keep covering those additional lenses in different camera modes and it makes literally zero difference. And yes, you can definitely see the price of this phone impacting the camera quality. In a good lighting conditions, even macro photography looks surprisingly good. But whenever it gets darker, the picture quality starts to be terrible. The same with video quality, which by the way offers 720p as a maximum resolution. The front camera is a fixed focus 8 megapixel one, quite unusual for this market segment, but don't get too excited here. It doesn't mean that the picture quality will be better from other devices of this class. It just has a higher resolution of the sensor. The IPS display can give you some mixed feelings. It has this nice water drop design, but it's easy to notice how outdated it is on the resolution side. It's only 442 by 960, and even if it's not like you can actually see individual pixels, it still makes the picture a little blurry. Surprisingly, the colors reproduction is pretty nice. Look at that, I'm really putting it next to iPhone, and on color accuracy side, it still looks alright. And then again, that software spoils it all, and in certain moments the color saturation is just way too high. Like seriously, Cubot, no one needs those eye-burning color modes anymore. And what about the user experience? Look, it's still a 2016 processor phone running 2019 Android 10. Is it a bad experience then? Well, not really. You see, the low screen resolution helps this device to operate some apps way smoother. than it would be on the other devices with the same processor but higher screen resolution. 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB built-in flash memory, expandable to 128 GB, sounds like more than enough for the basic use. All this together with 3200 microamps battery makes this device not that bad at all. What you are getting in a box is a pretty usual setup. So the device itself that comes with a screen protector. I hate those ones, by the way. They seem to be such bad quality that get scratched by the air particles hitting against them. You're also getting this freebie transparent phone cover, some paperwork, super cheap filling 5W charger and a micro USB charging wire. And now the cool things are coming. When was the last time when you opened the back cover of your phone to install a SIM card or remove the battery? Yes, this phone has a removable back and you actually have to do that to remove the protection film from the battery and install the SIM card. Feels really weird in 2021. And another nice thing is that it is a real dual SIM one. With some phones, when you would like to expand the internal memory, the SD card occupies the second SIM card slot. Here you have everything as it should be, a separated slot for a memory card and for nano SIM cards. Unfortunately, no fingerprint reader in this device. Only the default Android unlocking ways. And this very unsafe face unlock mode. Actually, it's pretty funny. It warned me it can be unlocked by the object of similar appearance to me, so...
One big potato.
And yes, having mercy for this tiny device, let's not talk about the quality of the built-in speaker. So, what would you even do with the device like that? It has an outdated processor, low screen resolution, and everything beyond some essential apps sounds like too much for it. You see, the selling point of the phone like that is the price, and this one has a really good one. Also, not everyone likes to have those big chunky 6 inches devices around. Does iPhone mini rings a bell? If this one is to be your main device, you will like it for how handy is it. Even with this 2016 processor with this screen resolution, the basic apps run pretty okay. It's also decently built and a removable battery might be an added value for you as well. If this is to be your second or backup device, you will definitely appreciate its small size. So it's not a hassle to have it around. And even if the design of the screen version is rather original, I kind of like the grip that this unusual texture gives to me. Guys, it's all for now. Thanks for watching. These are the very beginnings of this channel, so please don't be too hard on me. If I help you to make up your mind on this device, please give this video a thumbs up, and it would be tremendous if you could subscribe to this channel to not miss all the new content to come. Stay safe and see you soon.